guys, welcome to my channel.
I never got to say the words, the ones that you had never heard, and you're still in every space of me. My bed recalls just how you feel. We were running out of time, had a moment then it died. So why should I complain? We ran as fast as we could do. No one's to blame, not me or you. Still I'm caught in that rain. I'll be over you, okay. I'll be doing more than great, but I just miss ya, I miss ya. I'll sing happy songs one day. I'll be doing more than great, but now I miss ya, I miss ya. It's funny how the simplest things can leave the biggest hole. Just waking up to feel your skin is killing me the most, the most. We were running out of time, had a moment then it died. So why should I complain? We ran as fast as we could do. No one's to blame, not me or you. Still I'm caught in that rain. I'll be over you, okay. I'll be doing more than great, but I just miss ya, I miss ya. I'll sing happy songs one day. I'll be doing more than great, but now I miss ya, I miss ya. Miss ya, I miss ya. We got lost in each other, so we just kept on falling. But we touched the sky, yeah, we touched the sky. And we dove in the deep end, trying to find one more reason to hold back the night. We held back the night. I'll be over you, okay. I'll be doing more than great, but I just miss ya, I miss ya. I'll sing happy songs one day. I'll be doing more than great, but now I miss ya, I miss ya.
Hi guys, we invited you to join the LCIF Association. To become a member, just click on the link below. Here you can get support, information, and discounts.